We're downtown Syracuse today. And guys, this is what I love about calisthenics. You can really do it anywhere. I just found this bar. Guess what that means, man? That means I'm gonna rip some pull-ups. We're gonna do some calisthenics. It's a Greek word. Calisthenics means beautiful strength. Let's go. You can do calisthenics anywhere. You can do it while you're at work. I'm downtown right now in the city working, and I found a natural pull-up bar. It'd be a sin not to bang out a few. Let's go, calisthenics. Anytime, anywhere. We're downtown Syracuse. We still get that work in.